our odds of having a great day because the sun is out.
Oh,
a lot better.
Man, it got
Even
really
better.
nice. About 10, 11 o'clock sun came out.
Yeah.
We had to scramble for our sunglasses. I haven't had to use them in a while. I couldn't find them.
Kidding, yeah. You actually needed a sweater or a jacket this morning.
Yeah.
It was really chilly out there. Still cool this afternoon, but once that sun came out, temperatures did skyrocket. We did manage to get around 60 this afternoon. Hope you had a great day. And you probably were losing a little hope there with those clouds sticking around this morning, thinking that we wouldn't see any sunshine today. But Mother Nature delivered for us and brought that sunshine back in here for this afternoon. Looks like the next few days we're going to see a mixture of cloud and sunshine and warmer temperatures. Spring begins in 2 days on Thursday. And we're expecting spring-like weather here for the rest of this week. Here's a look at visible satellite. This is the view from space. Watch how the clouds cleared out through the afternoon. You see in the morning, they basically just cleared out from west to east and east to west. There was a band here really from about Baldwin County northward up towards Grove Hill and around Thomasville and Monroeville. But most areas, though, seeing some sunshine this afternoon. But due to the fact that we did see the sunshine a little later in the morning, we did not get as warm as we were expecting. Temperatures around 60 in Mobile, 62 in Pensacola, the unofficial high. Evergreen, though, saw some sunshine most of the day today, and that allowed you guys to get close to 70 degrees. Right now, 58 Mobile, 59 Pensacola. Forecast through midnight calls for a partly cloudy sky. Temperatures overnight tonight dropping back to the 40s, so it will be cool again for tonight, but we are expecting a fairly decent warm-up. Really from tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at low to mid 70s here for your Wednesday afternoon plans. Clouds and radar together showing the storm system that brought us the rain the past couple of days long gone. And another storm system now moving through the plains. That's going to stay well to our north. But notice the warm temperatures under southwest winds in the upper atmosphere continuing to filter into our region. Now, we will see a cold front try to sneak into the area late tomorrow, early Thursday, but besides a few clouds, I don't expect much more than that with it. Looks like we'll see a wind shift with it. We'll see winds start blowing out of the north here as we go into Thursday, and that will flatten the surf a little bit if you're going to be down at the beach, but besides that, looks like it will be coming through our area rain-free and not going to see much in the way of a difference in temperatures either. So here's a look at your forecast. Tomorrow, clouds and sunshine, highs in the 70s. Notice on Thursday, though, the wind's coming back out of the north here behind that front. So that will be accompanied by a few clouds, but besides that, again, it looks like a very nice rest of the week shaping up. So it looks like it'll stay dry tomorrow, Thursday, Friday. By this weekend, we're going to start seeing rain chances creep back into the area, especially on Sunday. Pinpoint forecast looks like this. Cool temperatures near the coast. The water temperature is just offshore, unseasonably cool. So we're going to heat places like Gulf Shores and Dauphin Island in the mid to upper 60s. Everybody else, though, low to mid 70s for tomorrow. Bayonet about 74 for tomorrow afternoon. Inland sections, Chatham 74, 75 Grove Hill, Monroeville, as well as Evergreen. Northwest Florida, skies partly cloudy. 76 Crestview for tomorrow, but you get down to coastal Santa Rosa and Okaloosa County. We're looking at temperatures only in the mid to upper 60s due to those cool Gulf waters. And southeast Mississippi, skies partly cloudy. 75 Leakesville, Loosedale, Hurley about 74 for tomorrow. And Moss Point coming in the mid-70s well. Here's your 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, all look fine. We're going to see highs tomorrow about 73. We're going to go with 74 for Thursday, 75 on Friday. So a slow warm-up. Highs in the 70s through the rest of this week. Chance for rain starts creeping out, not so much on Saturday. And Sunday we'll see a little better chance. At this point, it does not look like this weekend will be a washout like last weekend. Just kind of some nuisance showers, particularly on Sunday. A little better chance on Monday.
And Thursday, the first day of spring, you said a bit of a slow warm-up. We'll take slow. It's okay, as long as it's warming up.
Finally. It's a little late, right?
Well, that's okay. We'll take it.
We'll take it.
Thank you, Derek.